All right, so coming on to our next candlestick pattern, which is known as the engulfing pattern. Okay, now what are engulfing candles? Well, as the name suggests, they're nothing but large body candles that are engulfing or encompassing the previous candles. Okay, so let's look at bullish engulfing as an example, right? It is basically a large green candle that is encompassing, or you can see that the body, right, is larger than the previous candle. So it is completely engulfing the previous candle. Okay, and that is what is meant by a engulfing candlestick pattern, right? Now this is bullish because the previous candle is being engulfed by a large green candle, right? And that is why it is called a bullish engulfing, right? Now keep one thing in mind, guys, that you might see a candle like this, right, with a wick at the top and let's say wick at the bottom, and you might say that the high of this and the low of this is larger than the engulfing candle, right? So is this still a bullish engulfing? Yes, because we are only taking the body into consideration, not the shadows, right? So keep that one thing in mind. Okay, and now bearish engulfing is the complete opposite, right? You have a large red candle or a large bearish candle, which is encompassing or engulfing the prior candle, the previous candle. Okay. Now bullish engulfing is a sign that strong number of buyers or strong number of bulls have entered, right? And they're trying to push price higher. And bearish engulfing simply means strong number of bears or sellers have entered the market and they are trying to push the price lower. Okay, so let's look at two examples. If we're in a downtrend and price is coming down, 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 and at the bottom most of the trend you see a bullish engulfing pattern, right? What is this telling us? That at the bottom of a trend, strong number of buyers have entered and they are trying to push price higher, right? They're trying to take price higher. Okay, so strong number of buyers have entered this area. Okay, and see, either two things can happen. Either the sellers are booking their profits, right? Or fresh bulls are entering, trying to reverse the trend. Okay, so whenever you see a bullish engulfing at the bottom of a trend, again, be alert, be cautious, because you may see a trend reversal follow. Okay, and in the second example, if we're in a nice uptrend and price is just going higher and higher and higher, and now at the top of the trend, you get a bearish engulfing pattern like this, right? You see a large red candle engulfing a prior candle. That's a strong sign, that's a strong signal that price may reverse, okay, and head lower. Okay, so again, either the bulls are booking their profits here, or fresh sellers, fresh bears are entering and trying to reverse the price. So engulfing patterns are a very, very strong reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, again, if you see them in a sideways kind of a trend, avoid them, right? We want to look for them only at the top of a trend or at the bottom of a trend. So let's see some chart examples. Okay. Okay, now let's see this one, right? So can you see this big red candle? First of all, in this trend, right, from here to here, right, it's just been going up. Okay, so in this minor uptrend, we see this bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so that's a strong sign that sellers have come in and they want to reverse the trend, right? And eventually that is what happens. Okay, now look at this example. Can you see that price was in a nice downtrend for so long? And then finally, we get this big spurt of buyers coming in, creating this engulfing pattern. Can you see that it engulfs the previous candle body? Okay, and you see the trend reversal happen. Okay, now see here. Can you see this nice uptrend? Price is just going up, and then boom, big bearish engulfing pattern, right? Engulfs the previous, well, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 candles, right? It is engulfing. So that's a strong signal, guys. And see the move after that. Okay. Again, let's look at these two examples. So we were in a nice downtrend. Price was coming down, 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 and then boom, right? What happens here? Buyers enter here. Buyers, strong number of buyers enter here. Okay, and they try pushing price higher. So can you see that this big green candle completely encompasses the previous candle, and this big green candle encompasses the previous red candle? So strong signal, guys. 2 bullish engulfings, boom, and price goes higher. Okay, let's look at some more examples. Okay, can you see bearish engulfing at the top of the trend? You get a nice small reversal there. Okay, can you see this bullish engulfing at the bottom of a trend and see the trend reversal? Okay, can you see this bearish engulfing at the top of the trend from here and beautiful reversal? Right, can you see this bearish engulfing at the top of the trend and amazing reversal? Okay, so this pattern works beautifully, guys. Okay, see, now every pattern is not like 100% foolproof, right? There will be times when stop losses are hit and so on. Okay, we'll look at how to trade these, but as of now, we just want to get a fair understanding of these patterns, right? So I hope this one is clear, and I'll see you in the next video.